My name is Sebastian de Mayta. I am the Vice President and COO of Mayta Sebastian Architecture.
Raul Mayta, RA, the Principal Architect and Founder of M+S.
Oh, the star. We met in grad school, actually, so that's, I don't know, like almost 20 years ago now.
We were both attending the University of South Florida, getting our master's degree in architecture.
Once we had the kids, Raul stopped working full-time and we started the company back in 2016. It was originally just the two of us for about 4 years, which was pretty cool. Gave us a lot of time with the kids. They're the first interns, we always say.
We have been operating as Mayta Sebastian Architecture since 2018.
I think probably the biggest milestone for us was when
we wanted to expand into a full-time team.
And it wasn't until 2022 when we got our own permanent long-term lease type of space. So that was pretty cool. The Peru office was also an exciting one because we were no longer needing to outsource, which was really great and kind of fulfill another dream of having an office in Lima and an office in New York. Coming from where we did, that was not really something we ever expected to be able to do.
Our operations in Peru allows us to have social impact projects in Peru and promote work environment a little bit different for the Peruvian industry. To be able to create an environment where people from different backgrounds can work together. The application of technology was one of the reasons why we started M+S. We felt like larger offices were set on their own ways. We use it for communication and for surveying. We use laser scanners, infrared cameras, drones. Some other companies have been using it lately, but we have been using them since 2012. At the same time, we use BIM technology for our drawings. Most of the restoration companies use AutoCAD and 2D softwares that do not allow a proper interpretation of the building envelope. So technology is implemented from the survey through construction and during the construction administration phase of the project as well.
We take extra time to make sure the documents that we create are accurate and thorough. Those difficult conversations come up in the field. Our team can be there and say, well, this is the information I have. And it really kind of cuts to the chase of a streamlined process and confidence from our clients. Part of the reason we're able to achieve what we can is because of our education. So the first thing that we started, where Raul's father is from, his hometown is in the mountains of Peru. We thought it was a good idea to do some scholarships. So we've partnered with some schools in that town to offer pre-college training, which allows these students to get access to learn how to succeed at the tests for the entrance exams to universities there.
We want to keep the balance of our social impact and our culture. So not losing the values that the companies were founded with is very important for us as a goal for the next 5 years. So we will continue the growth and hopefully we will keep the values that we were founded with.